Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the TV, safety first. Remove the stand and back cover screws, then lift the metal chassis away so you can access the LCD stack. Once done, use an ESD strap and set fasteners in order. This prevents mismatched parts later. Now detach the LVDS and flat flex cables carefully, pinch connectors at the latch, not the wires, and label each cable so reassembly is exact. This gets you ready for film access. Once the panel is free, separate the front bezel, diffusion sheets, and prism films in order. You must preserve orientation marks. You handle each optical layer by the edges because fingerprints and oils change light output. If the polarizer is glued, apply 90% isopropyl sparingly to soften adhesive. Make sure the solution evaporates before proceeding. Use lint-free wipes and compressed air to clean the glass between layers. This careful method prevents scratches and ensures the new film seats. You align the replacement polarizer to the orientation marks, then lay it down from one edge while smoothing with a soft roller to remove bubbles. Even pressure ensures uniform contact. Reassemble diffusion and bezel enough to support the panel, reconnect the LVDS and FFC cables, then power on briefly to inspect image uniformity and color. If you see banding or a color shift, make sure the film is facing the correct way and fully seated. Reseat or replace if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.